Hello, I hope you are well. Do not worry if your shoes are dirty and smell bad. This is a very simple trick that I learned from one of my Spanish friends. Stay with me and I will teach you this trick. First, we fill a container with enough water to soak the shoes. Now we will polish our shoes with a squeegee and dishwashing liquid. If you look carefully, the shoes are cleaner than before. Put the shoelaces in the water so that we can make soles in the front. It's time to see the fantastic result. It is enough to rinse the shoes with soles. Now dry the shoe and comment on the result.